Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the shortest books in the Bible, the book of 2 John. It's just 13 verses long, but don't let its size fool you. This little letter packs a powerful message about truth, love, and guarding against deception. The letter is written by the elder. Most scholars agree this is the Apostle John, the same John who wrote the Gospel of John, 1 John, 3 John, and Revelation. He's writing to the elect lady and her children, a poetic way of addressing either a specific Christian woman and her household, or more symbolically, a local church and its members. John starts the letter by celebrating the truth that unites believers. He says in verse 1, "To the lady chosen by God and to her children, whom I love in the truth, because of the truth, which lives in us and will be with us forever." He's reminding us that the truth of Jesus Christ, his divinity, his incarnation, his resurrection, isn't just knowledge, it's something that lives in us and shapes how we love each other. Then, in verse 5, John urges, "I am not writing you a new command, but one we have had from the beginning. I ask that we love one another." This echoes John 13:34, where Jesus said, "A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another." For John, truth and love go hand in hand. If we love without truth, we risk accepting anything. But if we claim truth without love, we risk becoming harsh or cold. The gospel calls us to both. Then John shifts into a warning. In verse 7 he says, "Many deceivers, who do not acknowledge Jesus Christ as coming in the flesh, have gone out into the world." This is a direct reference to early Gnostic heresies, which denied that Jesus came in a physical body. John already tackled this in 1 John chapter 4 verses 2-3, saying that anyone who doesn't acknowledge Jesus came in the flesh is not from God. These deceivers were trying to infiltrate churches and lead people away from the real Jesus. That's why John warns in verses 10 and 11, "If anyone comes to you and does not bring this teaching, do not take them into your house or welcome them. Anyone who welcomes them shares in their wicked work." This isn't about being rude to people with questions or doubts. It's about not giving influence or endorsement to those who actively distort the core truth of the gospel. John ends the letter saying he has more to say, but he'd rather do it face to face, so that our joy may be complete. A beautiful reminder that real Christian fellowship is personal, not just written or online. So what can we take away from 2 John? Hold tightly to the truth about Jesus. Let that truth shape how you love others. And be wise. Don't let false teachings creep into your life or your church. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand 2 John better, hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite verse or insight, and subscribe for more biblical deep dives. Let's keep growing in truth and love together. See you in the next one.